Hello. And welcome to my channel. Honda Civic Type R 2017. There's no other vehicle quite like a hot hatch. Enthusiasts love cars like the Volkswagen Golf R and Ford Focus RS for their combination of practicality and performance. You can be a hero on a back road and still load it down with passengers and groceries. For years, most hot hatches were forbidden to Americans, only accessible in video games or the pages of Euro and Japanese motoring magazines. That's not so much the case anymore. Unlike some of the competition, the Honda Civic Type R sends all 306 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque from the turbocharged 2.0-liter, built right here in the US, to the front wheels. Honda engineers have worked magic on the suspension and steering, alleviating torque steer while saving a significant amount of weight versus the all-wheel drive Golf R or Focus RS. It also undercuts the base MSRP of those two by a significant amount. Associate editor recounts, "I've been looking forward to driving this car for a long while. I love hot hatches. I'm a former GTI owner and welcome any newcomer to the segment. Competition breeds innovation. I followed this car for years and ogled every single one I saw while visiting Europe or Asia. I was disappointed by the Civic C. It's not special enough and not that much better than the regular Civic, so I was hoping the Type R could make amends. I was a little worried about sending all that power to the front wheels. I still remember the steering wheels in the Saab 9-3 and MAZDASPEED3 kicking and fighting your hands, but that concern seems for naught. Whatever Honda engineers did, it works. Even in the cold and wet, torque steer was non-existent. The engine feels smooth and strong throughout the rev range, if a little generic. Do not forget subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.